Hey everyone, welcome back to the Education Magazine. Are you tired of the same old study routines and wish there was a smarter way to get through your coursework? Well, guess what? 2025 has brought us some incredible AI tools that can revolutionize the way you study. Imagine having a virtual assistant, a note taker, or a personal tutor, all powered by artificial intelligence. So grab your notebooks, because today we're diving into the top 5 AI tools for studying smarter in 2025. Whether a student or a lifelong learner, these tools are designed to help you save time, stay organized, and make studying way more effective. Let's jump in. Number 1. ChatGPT for research help. First on our list is ChatGPT by OpenAI. Now, this tool has made a huge name for itself in the AI world, and with good reason. ChatGPT can act as your research assistant. Have a tough question? Simply type it in, and within seconds it'll provide you with a summary, explain concepts, or even give you examples. This tool is like having a personal tutor, available 24/7. Fun fact: did you know that over 100 million users signed up for ChatGPT in its first 2 months of release? That's faster than any other consumer app in history. This AI's power is mind-blowing. It's like having access to an entire library in your pocket. Number 2, Notion AI for organized note-taking. Next, we have Notion AI. If you're someone who loves organizing notes but hates the time it takes, this tool is for you. Notion AI can help you sort, summarize, and even generate notes from class material or textbooks. Just copy-paste your content, and it'll create an organized summary in seconds. Imagine finishing a chapter and then having your notes all set up for revision. Pro tip: with Notion AI, you can ask it to simplify complex topics, a lifesaver for complicated subjects like biochemistry or quantum mechanics. Number 3, GrammarlyGO for writing assistance. Third on the list is GrammarlyGO. Most students know Grammarly for its grammar checking abilities, but in 2025, it has leveled up. GrammarlyGO not only helps you fix your grammar and style, but also generates entire paragraphs and even suggests ideas for essays or assignments. If you're struggling to get started on an assignment, just ask GrammarlyGO for ideas, and it'll get those creative juices flowing. Fascinating stat: over 90% of students who use Grammarly report faster writing times. And who doesn't want that, right? Number 4, ELSA Speak for language practice. Now, let's talk about language learning. If you're studying a foreign language, ELSA Speak is a game changer. ELSA uses AI to help you practice pronunciation and improve your accent. It listens to you and gives real-time feedback on how to improve. Perfect for nailing that Spanish R or French R. Fun fact: ELSA claims it can improve your pronunciation accuracy by up to 95%. Imagine impressing your teacher or friends with a flawless accent, all thanks to this app. Number 5, Quizlet with AI-powered adaptive learning. Last but not least is Quizlet's new AI-powered adaptive learning tool. Quizlet has always been popular for flashcards, but now, with AI, it's taken things to the next level. This tool learns what topics you're struggling with and tailors questions to focus on those areas, boosting your retention and speeding up learning. Interesting stat: studies show that adaptive learning can help students improve test scores by 10 to 20%. That's like adding a whole letter grade just by studying smarter, not harder. And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools to help you study smarter in 2025. Imagine being able to save hours, get better grades, and even enjoy the learning process a bit more. These AI tools are powerful, accessible, and most importantly, they're here to make your life easier. So, which tool are you most excited to try? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and study hacks, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to studying smarter, not harder, in 2025.